Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino Smart Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, which means we replaced the brew unit. This one that you see right here. This is the older unit of the machine. We replaced that, relubricated everything inside, deep cleaned everything inside as well. There was a lot of coffee buildup. We descaled this machine, give it a nice clean it, and put it all back together, and yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. Then we're gonna be using the carafe of this machine, and then we will conclude the test. Perfect. Pre-infusion, and now extraction. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent quantity as well. Only 1 ounce and a half. Perfect, exactly what we asked for the machine. We're grinding on the number 5th setting of the grinder, which is on the core setting of this grinder. So you would like to have a much deeper flavor and much more stronger taste. You can increase the grind size to the number 3 or 2 depending what coffee you have, and that will give you much crema as well as give you much stronger flavor and stronger color of coffee. Now we're gonna be doing a cappuccino. We're gonna be using this. We're gonna be using US water instead of some milk, and we will be able to see the flow coming out from the carafe itself. As you can see, nice flow coming out from there. We just have water, so we will not be able to see any foam coming out. But that is the flow that should be coming out through the carafe. After the machine does the froth, the machine will compact the coffee inside of the machine and it will extract the cappuccino. Again, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino Smart working once again. Thank you so much for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.